Imagine you're planning a virtual meeting. You need a platform that's reliable, easy to use, and can handle all your communication needs. RingCentral and Zoom are two popular options that often come up. But are they really the same? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. What is RingCentral and Zoom? RingCentral is a cloud-based unified communications platform. It offers a suite of features including VoIP phone system, make and receive calls from anywhere, video conferencing, host meetings with up to 1,000 participants, messaging and chat, collaborate in real time, team messaging, keep your team connected. Zoom, on the other hand, is primarily known for its video conferencing capabilities. It also offers features like screen sharing, share your screen with others, recording, record your meetings for later reference, whiteboarding, collaborate on a virtual whiteboard. Section 2. Key differences. While both RingCentral and Zoom offer similar features, there are some key differences to consider. 1. Core focus. RingCentral is a more comprehensive unified communications platform, offering a wider range of features beyond video conferencing. Zoom, on the other hand, is primarily focused on video conferencing and related tools. 2. Pricing. Both platforms offer different pricing plans, so it's important to compare features and costs to find the best fit for your needs. RingCentral often has more tiered pricing plans, while Zoom might have simpler options. 3. Integration. RingCentral integrates seamlessly with other business applications like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. Zoom also offers integrations, but its focus is primarily on video conferencing. 4. Additional features. RingCentral offers additional features like call forwarding, voicemail, and call recording. Zoom's focus is more on video conferencing and collaboration tools. Section 3. Which one is right for you? The best choice between RingCentral and Zoom depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a comprehensive unified communications platform with features like VoIP, messaging, and team collaboration, RingCentral might be a better fit. If your primary need is video conferencing and related tools, Zoom could be a good option. Consider your budget, the number of users, and the specific features you need when making your decision. Section 4. Conclusion. In conclusion, RingCentral and Zoom are not exactly the same. While they both offer video conferencing and other communication tools, there are significant differences in terms of core focus, pricing, integration, and additional features. By understanding these differences, you can make an informed decision about which platform is best for your business or personal needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.